Each animal is carefully unloaded and guided into the facility, where a rigorous inspection process ensures only.
These are not ordinary cattle. Each bull is bred for the exceptional density and grain of its horn. From the moment they arrive, the bulls are handled with precision and care. Their health, temperament, and horn quality are assessed before they proceed to the preparation area.
Before any processing begins, the animals undergo a thorough sanitization process. In the clinical inspection bay, each bull undergoes a comprehensive health evaluation.
Heart rate and respiratory function are measured to confirm the animal's fitness and readiness for the extraction process. The horn's integrity is carefully assessed under bright inspection lights. Any structural weakness would compromise the final product. Real-time biometric data confirms the animal's health and readiness. Only the healthiest, most resilient specimens are selected for the process. The inspection complete, the selected bull moves into the next phase, the gentle, controlled extraction of its horn. The raw material is now ready for transformation. The bull is gently positioned in a specialized cradle, ensuring absolute stability during the delicate extraction process.
The extraction is performed with surgical precision. The horn separates cleanly, preserving its structural integrity for the journey ahead.
Once separated, the horn is immediately transported to the sanitization chamber, where it will be cleansed of any impurities and prepared for shaping.
The sealed chamber is a critical environment. It must maintain exact temperatures and pressure to sterilize and condition the horn.
Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled, softening the horn's dense structure and preparing it for the next phase of transformation. The first thermal cycle begins. Controlled heat and steam penetrate the horn's dense structure, softening it for the shaping process. The thermal processing is repeated in precise cycles. Each pass conditions the horn further, unlocking its natural flexibility and strength.
The horn's natural fibers begin to relax under the controlled heat. The dense protein structure becomes more.
After multiple thermal cycles, the horn emerges transformed. It is now ready for the skilled hands of the artisans who will shape it into its final form. Before it reaches the shaping station, the horn undergoes a final inspection. Every detail is checked to ensure it means. With the horn now conditioned, the artisan begins the delicate carving process. Each cut is precise. Each component is carved by hand, with meticulous attention to detail. The horn's natural beauty is preserved.
Every measurement is critical. The horn frame must match exact specifications to ensure a perfect fit with the leather body of the backpack.
The carved horn handle is inspected for uniformity and finish. It must be flawless, every curve, every edge, every surface. The carved components are now ready for assembly. Each piece has been shaped with care, ensuring the final product will be a true masterpiece of craftsmanship.
The carved horn components are paired with premium full-grain leather panels, meticulously cut to complement the horn's natural curvature.
The artisan positions the horn frame onto the leather back panel, aligning it with precision jigs to ensure a flawless structural fit.
Pilot holes are drilled through both materials simultaneously, ensuring every hardware point is perfectly aligned and structurally sound.
Solid brass hardware is pressed into place, creating a permanent, robust bond between the natural horn and the rich leather. The hardware is perfectly flush, creating a seamless transition between the natural texture of the horn and the rich grain of the leather.
Heavy-duty stitching secures the leather back panel to the horn frame, creating a robust structural bond that will endure years of use.
With the hardware secured, the structural assembly begins in earnest. Skilled hands guide the material. Every stitch is inspected for tension and uniformity. A single flaw could compromise the strength and beauty of the final product.
The structural integrity is verified at every stage. The leather and horn must work together as a single, unified piece.
With the primary structure complete, the frames move to the next assembly bay. The backpack is beginning to take shape, its elegance now visible in the fusion of materials. The front panel is fitted onto the structural frame, its edges aligned precisely to ensure a seamless connection with the horn accents. The leather edges are burnished to a smooth, glassy finish, sealing the fibers and creating a clean, professional edge where the horn meets the leather. Straps, buckles, and hardware are now attached, bringing the backpack to its final form. Each component is fitted with care, ensuring functionality and elegance. A final polish brings out the horn's natural warmth, highlighting its deep, organic grain and preparing the backpack for its grand reveal.
Every detail is inspected. Every stitch, every surface, every connection must be flawless. This is the moment of truth.
Finally, the completed product is revealed. A luxury backpack that embodies the journey from raw horn.
The horn frame is seamlessly integrated into the leather body, creating a stunning visual and structural harmony.
Every detail is a testament to the craftsmanship, the engraved hardware, the polished finish, the seamless construction.
This is the result of precision, artistry, and passion. A luxury backpack that will accompany its owner. The finished backpack takes its place in the world, featured in luxury publications, admired by discerning customers worldwide.
From the factory floor to the world stage, each backpack carries with it the story of its creation, from horn to luxury.
The journey continues beyond the factory walls. Each backpack travels across the country and around the world, carrying the legacy of white Brahman craftsmanship. The cycle continues. New bulls arrive, new horns are harvested, and new backpacks are crafted. The rhythm of the factory never stops.
Each finished backpack is carefully packaged, protected for its journey to the customer.
The branded packaging is sealed, ready to deliver a premium unboxing experience.
Each backpack is inspected, boxed, and prepared for its journey to customers worldwide.
Secured and ready for transport, the backpacks begin their journey to luxury boutiques and discerning customers.
With the final shipment on its way, the cycle of creation begins anew. From horn to luxury, the journey continues.
From the factory floor to the world stage, each backpack carries with it the story of its creation, from horn to luxury.
Every detail is appreciated by the discerning customer. The natural grain, the polished finish, the seamless construction, each element tells a story. The journey continues beyond the factory walls. Each backpack travels across the country and around the world, carrying. The cycle continues. New bulls arrive, new horns are harvested, and new backpacks are crafted.
For the artisan, this is the moment of fulfillment. Each backpack is not just a product, it is a legacy.
The day comes to a close. The factory is silent, but the craft continues. Each backpack knowledge is passed from one generation to the next. The craft of horn carving and leatherworking is preserved, refined, and carried forward with pride. The factory stands at the intersection of tradition and innovation, honoring the natural materials that make each product unique.
From the pasture to the product, the journey is complete. The horn that once crowned a Brahman bull.
The name The Product Lab is a mark of authenticity, a promise of quality, craftsmanship, and respect for the natural materials.
The factory lights glow against the twilight sky. A new day will bring new horns, new lights. For the craftsman, this is not just a product. It is a testament to skill, patience, and dedication.
The sun sets on another day of creation. The factory rests. The bull grazes. The craft endures.
Every detail tells a story. The grain of the horn, the texture of the leather, the gleam of the brass. This is the language of luxury. The factory is quiet, but its work echoes across the world. Each backpack carries the spirit of the thing.
The work is never truly finished. Tomorrow, a new horn will be harvested. A new leather panel will be
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Educational content generated entirely using AI tools, scripting, voice design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.